In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change your Windows 11 security PIN or password. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and click on the Settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply locate Accounts. And then here you'll find Sign In options. Click on that. And here you'll find Password. Click on this drop down arrow and you'll find the Change button. Click on that. Then here you have to type your current password. So let me just quickly type my current password. And you have to type your new password. Okay, so here you've successfully changed your password. Click on finish. Okay, so that's it. So you just have to sign in again to your Windows and then that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.